Coming up in today's video, Trailcam update amazing barn owls. Followed by a 2-question observation skills challenge. So please stay tuned. Good morning, good people. I hope that you're well and coping with the watered down lockdown. Welcome to today's video, Trailcam update, amazing barn owls. It does have a twist to it today, as after the update there's a 2-question observation challenge for you. There's no prize, it's just about the taking part. But it's another day, a beautiful day. You see what I did there, Andy? Hope that you're well, mate. A new day, another walk and talk, but not so much talking from me in this one. Not so much talking, nattering, chattering and yakking. I'm going to cut to the chase quite quickly by my standards. I'm heading for Trailcam Wood to change over the SD cards, reposition the mobile camera, the one that I keep moving around the wood. It's got itchy feet. And I'm going to check on the static camera that's been monitoring a barn owl roost situated in a beautiful old oak tree with a hollow section that's still very much alive, and a roost that I've been aware of now for probably 12 years, keeping an eye on it from time to time. And I do believe there are young barn owls present, so adds to the excitement. So the update is going to come up now, and you will have seen a taster at the beginning of the video. So hope you enjoy it, find it of interest, watch it closely, because there is more to it than meets the eye. And I look forward to seeing what you think in the comment section. Well, I hope you enjoyed the Trailcam update, Amazing Barn Owls, and watched it very carefully, knowing that the 2 observation skill challenge questions were coming up, and I will pose those to you in a minute or two. But first, I was just interested to know what you think about having things to look forward to get out of bed for in the morning, not live too far in the past or too far ahead in the future. I like to try and stay as present as I can. I know it's challenging. We all have different things going on in life, so it's easy to say, not so easy to do on a daily basis. But an example for me is the barn owls. I am trying to work out a way of filming them in flight when they leave the roost, film them over open ground when they are magnificent and they float around over hedgerow and meadow like apparitions, particularly at dusk. It really is a magical sight, and I remember the first time I saw that and experienced that, I did wonder what the heck it was. I was cycling down a sort of narrow country lane, and there was an apparition just floating towards me, and it floated by without batting an eyelid or an owlid. Get my coat. So my challenge is, how am I going to do that without risking losing my camera or one of them? I'm sure people can be trusted. There's a lot of good people in the world, we just don't necessarily hear about them, do we? So please keep an eye on my channel. Please subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, so you get future updates, and hopefully the barn owls in flight will be featured in a forthcoming video. And now, here are the 2 observation skill questions, as I promised. Well, I hope you watched and enjoyed the Trailcam update. Hopefully you watched it with a more intense scrutiny than maybe you ordinarily would, knowing that there's a 2-question observation skill challenge coming up. And question number 1, and I think the easier of the 2 questions, is: what prey items did the barn owls bring back to the roost? What prey items did the barn owls bring back to the roost? And question 2, there's a little something that is pictured, recorded on its own, not easy to see, and it's also present in some of the barn owl footage. So I've been focusing on the barn owls and I've been missing this little something because my attention has been purely on the barn owls. So if you spotted that little something and can identify that little something, for want of a better way of describing it without giving the game away, then you know the answer to question 2. So if you know the answer to questions 1 and 2, or either or, please leave a comment below. I'll look forward to reading your comment and responding. Well, I'm not far from home now, and I want to take this opportunity to thank you for tuning in and watching Trailcam Update Amazing Barn Owls. Hope you enjoyed it, found it of interest. Please leave your answers to the 2 observation skills challenge questions in the comment section below, and I look forward to reading them. Please like and share the video, and if you're not already a subscriber to my channel, please click the subscribe button either in the bottom right of the video on the screen now, or on the icon that's going to pop up anytime soon. And if you already subscribe, I thank you for your continued support. It really does mean a lot to me. And like I always say, if you're not getting out into nature, please get out as often as you can. Get wind and sun on your skin, fresh air in your lungs, because it really would be a crime not to. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.